record. Okay, good day everyone, and welcome to this fundamental technical breakdown. My name is Anthony Felix Njoku, and I'm a certified professional digital trader with 13 years of experience. I'm also the founder of 10x Digital Lane. 10x Digital Lane is an online platform that gives you the opportunity to learn about digital trading and also learn about real estate, so that you can be able to master these industries and make money from these industries. That's what 10x Digital Lane is all about. That's what 10x Digital Lane is all about. So we'll be starting from the technicals, and from technicals, we'll be now going down to the fundamentals. First of all, the technicals. After the technicals, we will go down to the fundamentals and we'll round up. So first of all, you need to know that we'll start with DXY. DXY shows the strength of the dollar. DXY shows the strength of the dollar. And for the strength of the dollar currently, we can see that the dollar had what? A massive uptrend, And after this uptrend, during NFP, there was a spike to the downside. So I'm expecting more down push. So when DXY comes back into this zone, we'll be selling from here. When it comes back into this zone, which is a cause, and also when it fulfills this efficiency, because there is efficiency that is lying here that needs to be fulfilled. From here now, we'll be able to go more down. We'll be able to go more down. So that's what I see in DXY. So in DXY, you'll be able to know that the dollar will be weak this week. So the next on the list is Euro USD. So for Euro USD is 80% correlated to the DXY. Euro USD is 80% correlated with the DXY. So if the DXY is going to the downside, I expect Euro USD to go to the upside. So if dollar gets weak, Euro is getting strong. If dollar gets weak, Euro is getting strong. But if dollar gets strong, Euro USD will be going to the downside. So I expect Euro USD to come back into this return to origin. It might not go this far, it might go halfway, but it all depends on the way the market reacts. As a trader, we don't predict the market, we react to the market. The market is not predictable, it is reactive. You understand? So we are going to be watching out for the market, see how the market reacts, and from here, we're looking for our buy setups on Euro USD, heading into this calls to fulfill this H4 validation point at this point. That's what we're watching out for on Euro USD. Then the next on our list is GBP USD. Please, guys, don't be confused. A lot of major currency pairs have different structures and different characteristics and different fundamentals backing it. A lot of major pairs have different fundamentals and different characteristics backing it. So for GBP USD, it's quite different. I'm expecting GBP USD to continue to drop to the downside. You understand? A little will move to the upside, grab liquidity there, and drop to the downside. There is a H4 validation point here that needs to be fulfilled. You can see this point, this zone over here. It is our validation point. Over here, the market is heading to this point. And we have a psychological level at that point as well. 1.260. 1.260. So we're expecting the market to come back into that zone. We're expecting the market to come back into this zone and fulfill efficiency. There's efficiency lying over here. There is massive efficiency in this zone. Massive efficiency and liquidity. So more push to the upside, you can see the drop to the downside. But if the market reacts and changes character, we will update you guys with our signals. So join our signal services. Go on the comment section. Go on the link on the bio right now. Click on that and join our Telegram free signal services, whereby you'll be receiving updates in a weekly basis. So the next on our list is AUD USD. AUD USD, which stands for Australian dollar against the United States dollar. AUD USD. Please comment, share this content with your friends who are forex traders. like, subscribe, follow us for more updates like this. So AUDUSD, the same structure I see on GPUSD. I expect market will come back into the return to origin, push up, but the push up won't be that much. But you can see the market closed bearish on AUDUSD. We're on a downtrend. The trend is your friend. But they have what a cause. Yeah, the market needs to come and fulfill this efficiency at this cause. There is a cause here. And the market needs to fulfill efficiency. There is a massive cause here. The market needs to come and fulfill efficiency. So I'm watching out for the market to come into this cause. I'm watching out for the market to come into this cause. And it's very, very important that the market comes into that cause and fulfills efficiency. So currently, there is a return to origin over here. When the market comes back to this origin, which is my buy setup, this is where I'll be aiming for my entries. That's why it is marked out. From here, we're moving to the upside on AUDUSD. To complete this what? They have swing high, swing low. To complete the swing high. After the swing high, the next swing low into this course. That's where we'll be taking our final TP. And then we're watching out for the change of structure. But when the market gets back into this zone and moves up into this bearish order block, and the character change, what I mean by character change, it increases the move to the upside, heading to the psychological level of 0.6650. Then we know that, yes, the structure has completely changed. We're not expecting more drop, instead, more push to the upside. But the bigger drop could come when this massive push has been completed. So you need to be reactive and not predictive. The next on our list is GBP-JPY. GBP-JPY. Great Britain pound against the Japanese yen. Great Britain pound against the Japanese yen. So for the Great Britain pound against the Japanese yen, we're expecting what? A drop. We're expecting a drop. A continuation drop. So on the GBP-JPY, you can see that we have something that looks like if the market was accumulates orders over here. This price is fractal. Price is fractal. This structure is quite different. This structure, it moves like this. You need to know that price is fractal. Okay. So from here now, we're expecting more push to the downside. I'm expecting more push to the downside for GBP-JPY. That's what I'm expecting, a push to the downside. So I already marked out a point that I am watching out for. I already marked out a point I'm watching out for GBP-JPY, and this is the point I'm watching out for. Over here, the return to origin. Over here, when market returns to this origin, that's when I'm not looking for my sell setups down into what? This level. Down into this level. Down into this level. So this is what I'll be watching out for. When the market gets into here, I'm looking for our sell setups down into this level, because there is what? Unfulfilled efficiency. Yeah, unfulfilled efficiency. There is orders. So if you enter your sales over here, I'm sorry, you would be stopped out when the market comes back here to what? Grab this liquidity over here. So you need to be mindful and be patient for the market to come back into this what? Cause. And from here, we're looking for our sell setups. Then the next on our list is the New Zealand dollar against the what? The United States dollar. The setup is already clear. And my setup for NFP, is still valid, because as soon as NFP turned down negative for the dollar, what I did was that I started looking for buy setups. I started looking for buy stops in almost most pairs, risky assets. I was buying risky assets. All the pairs I was trading, I was just buying risky assets. So NZD-USD was one of those pairs. The same setup I see on AUD-USD, the same setup I see on NZD-USD. I'm expecting what? Push the upside, come into here, and then complete the swing high, then the next swing low. That's what I see on NZD-USD. Then the next pair is the Canadian dollar USD card, the dollar against the Canadian dollar. This is the most swift, easy, as in I understand this setup more than any other setup I've disclosed today. The United States dollar against the Canadian dollar. It is currently inside my calls. It has fulfilled efficiency at the what H4 validation point. It is inside my return to origin. If I go down to a smaller time frame, it is inside my return to origin. If I go down the smaller time frame, you can see that it is inside my return to origin where my point of interest is. And from here now, I should be looking for more shots. So if I'm risking 25 pips, I'll be aiming for around 462 pips, which is 1%, risking 1% to make 6.5% of my account. I won't be going down to the smaller time frame because if I go down to smaller time frame, it won't be fair for my students who paid for our academic course and they're able to understand the way we enter the market and the rules we apply before we enter the market. So if you want to know more about this, you need to dive down to our website, www.10xdigitallearning.com. Grab a package for yourself and start learning, because education is the best key and power. So let's go to the next on the list, which is gold. Like I told you guys, when NFP turned down negative for dollar, I started buying risky assets. I'm in on gold and I'm holding it, extending my gains on it for that matter. I'm extending my gains. I'll be extending because I initially went for 1:3, but I'll be extending it to about 1:5.5, making 5.5% of my account. So what do I see here? I see a box. What's that box? Accumulation, buy stop and sell stops. Buyers and sellers are trapped within this box. NFP helped out. NFP spiked both buyers stop loss and spiked both sellers stop loss. After that, it broke above. And after a breakout, this is what a complete, they're about to complete the reversal of this downtrend. They want to complete the reversal of this downtrend. So this is what swing high, swing low. Well, expecting that was another swing high before the next swing low. So I'm going for this swing high before the next swing low. So that's it I see on gold. More push to the upside on gold. And then within the week, we'll be watching out for the sells. Then the next on our list is oil. Oil. That's the next on our list, oil. Okay, so for oil, the current move on oil is that we need to see it was come into this H4 validation point. It needs to come into this H4 validation point. That's what I see on oil. The H4 validation point needs to come and fulfill its efficiency. I marked it out from this point. I marked it out from this point. So, and you can look closely. Oil is back at the top of this range. There was a point when oil was ranging within this price caps. The index price of oil was ranging. It broke out. We're expecting it to come back to $63 per barrel, but it came back up to this what? Top, the top, forming as a resistance. So it's currently at this top, which is around it's $3.2829 per barrel for oil. So from this level now, we're looking for our sell setups. Looking for our sell stops, and my students, you guys know our entry criteria. Judas Spring, MSB, RTO, then we make the entry. So let's watch out for that. Let's watch out for that. And in that case, we have to make some good pips. But first of all, I need to see what give me a Judas swing. After a Judas swing, then we're looking for our what next criteria and entries. The next on the list is BTC USD. BTC USD. I'm still overall buy for BTC USD. I'm overall buy on BTC USD. I'm overall buy on BTC USD. Since last week, I've been holding on to this was setup. The market was just ranging and ranging. Last week, it was at the price cap of 29,500, went low to about 28,600, but I'm still buy. So if you are an investor, buy BTC. It's more of an investment, not day trading currently. The structures I see is not advisable for day trading, but it's more advisable for investment. So if you have some money which you can actually risk in the market or invest in the market, because whenever you earn income, you're meant to diversify your money. You need to have money for your investments. You need to have money for your education. You need to have money for what your needs, transportation, and so on, and feeding, and so on and so forth. You need to have money for charity. You need to have money for what? fun. So that money you kept for investment, put it into cryptocurrency. It's a certain percentage of your income, not minding the amount you earn. You need to start developing that discipline as a person. So when the bigger amount starts coming, it will be very, very easy for you to manage your money. I do it to this point, I should do it. And you keep track of the income and the expenditure. Most times you see that our people are wasteful. People are wasteful. Money you're meant to invest, you just keep wasting it on fun. Wasting it on fun. You understand? I know that prices of goods and services are going up, but overall, money for investment, which is going to lead to financial freedom, should always be there. It should always be there. So increase your income, learn more means of earning income. That's why we are here today. That's why we are here. That's why we are offering you the opportunity in digital learning to be able to learn the unique perspective of digital assets. Then we'll teach you how digital trading works, how to earn massive passive income from different sectors, different digital assets, different safe assets. We'll teach you how to utilize this information, learn this skill, and make yourself a living, making income from this industry. We're making 6 figures on real estate passively. We're making 6 figures on forex trading. You too can do it. You too can do it, and I believe in you. So if you are here to sign up for a broker on forex trading, I would advise you to come for Hot Forex. Hot Forex is my recommended broker. Hot Forex is my recommended broker. They offer you a bonus, a sign-up bonus of 100%. So if you register an account right now, you can be able to what? Get a sign-up bonus of 100% with Hot Forex. It is clear. You'll be able to what? Start trading the financial markets. I sent the link on the message. I sent the link on the message column. So if you have not signed up, sign up for Hot Forex right now and utilize the opportunity to start trading with this broker. They are the proud sponsors of Big Brother Naija 2023. So you can also join the demo contest. We have a demo contest currently going on Hot Forex as well, whereby if you register your account, you can be able to start trading a $10,000 account. If you turn out to be the leaderboard within the end of the month of August, you stand a chance to earn $2,000 funded account. If you become the second, you stand a chance to earn $1,000 funded account. And the third is $500 funded account. So don't say that funding is your excuse now. Go and sign up. I'll be dropping the link on the comment section. I'll be dropping a link on the description as well. So let's go down to the fundamentals, guys. On the fundamentals, we have CHF. Starting the week Monday, early morning London session, you can see that 6:45 a.m. West African time. Unemployment rate, one of the most important news we see in the financial market. Unemployment rate. When there is higher unemployment rate, it's bad for the economy. When there is low unemployment rate, it is good for the economy. So we're watching out for Swiss franc pairs. Then the next on our list on Tuesday, we have high impact news, retail sales. This is ranked number 4 high impact news in the markets, in financial trading, day trading in the financial market. Retail sales monitor year over year. So we're watching out for that. If it is higher than expected, GBP will be strong, and we're expecting the buy bias. Then this is for Asian session. This will announce in Asian session. Then by 1:30 a.m., we have AUD Westpac Consumer Confidence, Westpac Consumer Confidence Index, and NAB Business Confidence. This is ranked about 6 in the high impact news rank in the financial market. So we should watch out for this as well. It might not be a major mover, but we should just watch out for it. Probably most of us in the West African part of the world will be sleeping by that time. I'll be more interested in CPI, 7 a.m. London session for Europe. So the buy setup and watching out for Europe, let's watch out for it on Tuesday. CPI. Good. I love that. I love that setup. Then the next is balance of trade. As at 1991, balance of trade was the most important news event. But as soon as 2004 came in, non-farm payroll took over. 2004, 2007, non-farm payroll was the leading board. To this point, non-farm payroll is the leading board. So on fundamental list, balance of trade is on the 3rd right now. Balance of trade on the 3rd. The second is CPI. The number 1 is non-farm payroll. So watching out for balance of trade for United States dollar. If it turns out positive, we should watching out for what? Strength in the United States dollar. Then the next is on Thursday, no high impact news on Wednesday. Then on Thursday, initial jobless claims, and you can see CPI, core inflation rates year over year. So we'll be trading Thursday live with you guys. Trading starts by 1 o'clock. So join us on our Telegram. The link will drop on the description. It will also drop on the comment section. Join our Telegram to join us trade the market live on Thursday, New York session. So we'll be watching out for the inflation rate. I like this. I love this news. It's high impact news. Number 2 ranked on the high impact news for the financial market. Read by Day Trading the Financial Market. You can go and check out the book. Then on Friday, we have August 11, 2023. We have GBP, goods trade balance. This is number 3 ranked. So watching that, this is a very high impact for GBP. We're watching that for GBP pairs on Friday, and then GDP, gross domestic product, goods trade balance. We're watching out for this London session, and Europe also has CPI, inflation rate decision. So watching out for that as well on London session. And then in the afternoon, we have PPI, month over month, and Michigan consumer sentiment. This is not really a high impact news like that, but we're watching out for the London session mainly. And if there is chance, we'll be dropping out the link to trade London session live as well. So I hope you guys got value. If you're yet to be funded, I would encourage you guys to get funding from Consummate Traders. They're one of the best prop firm out there right now. They can give you funding of about $5,000 to about $200,000 to start trading your trading the financial market. But you need to drop what? A commission. You need to drop a fee. And if you're able to pass these challenges, you can be able to what? Start earning a living as a trader in the financial market. So jump right to Consummate Traders, get an account, get funded, and transform your trading career. This is Anthony Njoko once more, and this is for a time period of August 7th to August 11th. I hope that this information is valuable to you and you can be able to use it to make profits in the financial market. Have a profitable trading week. Peace.